If you want to force enable dark mode in Google Chrome on Windows 11, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you prefer a darker browsing experience, want to reduce eye strain, or just want Chrome and web pages to look more consistent with your system theme. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags. Then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page where you can turn on useful settings that are not enabled by default. When the flags page loads, look near the top for the search flags box. Click inside that search field and type dark mode. This will filter the list so you can find the exact setting much faster instead of scrolling through all the available options. Now locate the flag called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the setting that forces websites to display in dark mode, even if they were not originally designed with a dark theme. Once you find it, click the drop-down menu next to it. By default, it will usually be set to default, but you want to change it to enabled. After selecting Enabled, look to the bottom right corner of the page and click the blue Relaunch button. Chrome will restart automatically, and once it opens again, the new dark mode setting will be active. At this point, websites should begin appearing in a darker style, which can make browsing easier on the eyes, especially at night. If you don't notice the change immediately, just give Chrome a moment to relaunch fully, or reopen a website to see the new effect. And keep in mind, because this is a Chrome flag, the feature may slightly change depending on future browser updates. But in most cases, this is the fastest way to force enable dark mode in Chrome on Windows 11. That's all it takes. You've now enabled dark mode for Google Chrome using the flags menu on Windows 11. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.